To set photo as watch face on Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you simply have to do is, as you are in the watch face currently, press and hold on your watch face, and from here you are able to change watch faces. So you will have to go all the way to the left, and right here you can find that you can add photo from the gallery. So select this watch face and press button to add photo. And from here you will have to scan the QR code with the health application. So let's grab your phone, and from here, as you have your phone and you have opened your Huawei health application, on the top right corner there are 4 dots. You have to tap on them, and there is the button to scan. So let's tap on this one, and from here you have to simply put the QR code of this watch right here into the camera. So let me quickly just do this. And as you can see, the QR code has been scanned, and now you can add the picture from the gallery. So let's press this plus icon right here, and you can either take photo or select the image. So we will select the image from the gallery, and from here you can select these pictures from your gallery just like this. So I will select this one actually, and you can adjust this picture. As you can see, it is pretty big right here, and you have the outlines and some other stuff right here. So yeah, for example, let's select this picture right like this, and from here you have to press this check mark on the top right corner, and this will basically set this image as the watch face. From here, press save button on the bottom, and now as the background is saving, I have to wait for it to save, and as you can see now there's the information that the image is transferring to the watch face. So let's just see, as it is at the 100%, now you can see that we have this picture set up as the watch face. So that's how you can do this.